Nimco Happy is the Somali musician that went completely insanely viral on TikTok and also got the attention of so many worldwide superstars and celebrities including Drake, Jason Derulo, Cardi B, and the supermodel Bella Hadid. So this video is basically a follow-up to my previous video where I told you guys that this lady is going completely viral and probably has no idea if her song is going viral. Finally, I have some good news for you guys in this video. I'm going to explain to you guys if I was able to contact her, and you guys know that Nimco Happy right now is going to UK and is going to perform all over the world. So without further ado, let's get started. Finally, she is aware that her song is going viral. She even opened a TikTok account. That was the fastest verification I've ever seen on TikTok. She was verified right off when she had like 0 followers. She's also verified on Instagram right now when she had like, I don't know, 100 followers. She is growing extremely fast and most of her followers are not even Somalis. She's basically like the Michael Jackson of the Somalis right now. She didn't know that her song was going viral all that time. She was just in Somalia, you know, like just a normal Somali mom, just relaxing at home, doing her normal life. Because she doesn't have that big presence on social media. That's when so many record labels from all over the world started calling her, started looking for her, because nobody knew where she was. So happy for her that she's finally getting the bag and she's finally, you know, like getting what she deserves from her song. So she also made a video, you know, like saying thanks to her fans, to her new fans and all that. She also made a video you know, giving thanks to all these celebrities who have reacted to her song. There were so many remixes and, you know, a worldwide performance by DJs from every part of this world that has been, you know, using her song to entertain people. The song is finally on Spotify, also officially released by this record label that she's signed under. There was also this rumor that was going, you know, that she's getting signed under Sony Music, something like that. I'm not really sure about that. If you guys know anything about that, please comment down below. Previous video I told you guys that Jason Derulo is making a remix of this song. That was actually real. Jason Derulo wanted to make a remix of this song, but he said that he asked for permission to use her song, asked for permission to feature her into this remix, and, you know, so that both of them can make a song out of this song. Said that he hasn't heard from the artist yet and he's still waiting for her response.
And I love you more than my life. And I hit baby.
So many celebrities, musicians, even American musicians right now want a collabo with this lady. Drake also commented in one of the videos that this song slaps, means he liked the song. Cardi B also showed so much love to Nimco Happy. She also said that this song is living in my head rent free. Absolutely loved it, to a point that she made a TikTok video. So many famous TikTokers right now are also making videos using her song. Tongues, a Somali, you know, a British YouTuber who has so many followers, probably every one of you guys know him, also commented on her video saying that, yes Habo, Hubi ina lacag hesho. That means make sure you get that bag, make sure you get that money. Bella Hadid is a really famous supermodel on Instagram. She has over like 47 million followers on Instagram right now. She posted a video of this song on her Instagram page. It's Trevor Noah. I know you guys know Trevor Noah. He also made a video using this song. Finally, she's representing the Somali people and I'm really proud of her. That's for today's guys, and I will see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want. And yeah, that's for today's guys, and I will see you in the next video.